write about the blue type shit. Put the double O in the moon.
So guys, we will test the drone DJI Mini 4 Pro. My first flight, I never fly it. So yeah, let's go. Drone sensors, anti-crash, working perfectly. So guys, this is really sport mode now. Okay. Now we will test the brakes. Brakes, good. Can I touch you? Good. A little bit windy today. Alright, let's go. So guys, you will see now. Show them. When I press this button, it will go automatically take off, you see? Okay, покажем to. Alright guys, see, can go a little bit. I will turn it around a little bit. Alright, and now the camera is the button here outside, behind this, you see? Here we are. Alright. This is this airport for the sport planes. And this is the valley. Okay. Laishe Air Club. A little bit windy. Okay.
Left.
So this is maximum altitude. Alright. Where is this house, mommy?
Levo, dvorec Gutnutichen.
Where?
Tam e au gost de motor.
Here.
Mhm.
Okay. Let's see. The storage is full. I need to buy this SIM card. Here, mommy, huh?
Ja, aha, da se lepo približa. Ja, še malenkost naprej. Dale bo tule noter na levi strani.
Okay.
Vidiš, rahlo se že vidi.
So this.
Yeah. Yes. This is.
The villa. Okay. Beautiful. Right? So here are the lakes. Here is Varania.
Gorenje Hisense fabric.
Fabric. Okay. Varania, Shostan.
Termoelektrárna Sostan.
Okay.
Well done.
And this is Shostan. Alright. So now here we are, you see, the airport. I will press now return to home, this button, and then the drone will come automatically. You see?
You will see.
Now the drone is coming.
Well,
This is button return to home. Alright. Storage is full, god damn it. So I film it with my telephone. It's coming slowly.
I don't see.
Alright.
Kdo od zadaj prišel?
Something. Okay, it's going to be right here somewhere. Right above us. I don't know. So automatically. Okay, now it's coming down automatically. Okay.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah. And need to land automatically. Very slowly because of the sensors, and that's it. And that's it, guys. Very easy. I recommended this drone for beginners. Very good.
Thank Thank you all for watching this here video.